Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to get from this to this. Yeah, I know. And it's going to take less than 3 minutes. It's going to be done in Luminar, but we're going to start in Lightroom. I'm in Lightroom here. I've done my adjustments. Now all I'm going to do is edit in Luminar 4. Edit a copy with Lightroom adjustments, because otherwise you're just gonna edit the raw file without the adjustments. You can do that also, it's not a problem, but you know, there's no point in using Lightroom at this point. Alright, so all you want to do is go to the Creative tab, then Sky Replacement, Sky Selection, and for this one you see here I got a lot of different skies. Actually, a few of them came with the software. But for this I think I'm going to use Sunset 3. Nope. It's going to be Sunset 2. Yeah, I like Sunset 2. Looks good, more or less. We need to do a couple of adjustments. Advanced settings, flip the sky, so yeah. It's not bad. But no, actually I'm gonna use another one. Sunset. Yeah, this one, man. This one is perfect. Because you can see you got the sun here, and then you got the lights here. Alright, so all I need to do now is to blend it a little bit better. It's just around here. Relight the scene so that it is more I don't know, it looks like it was taken, you know, there. Then I want to change the temperature a little bit because it's a little bit too orange, so I'm gonna go a little, yeah, that's too blue. Something like this. And the sky exposure, I'm gonna go -8. Yeah, it actually looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. I actually like it. And yeah, we can do a couple of things here, like horizon position. You know, move it. That's too low. That's, well, I think here looks perfect. We can add some sun rays if we want to, like, but yeah, that's for other kind of pictures. Guys, look at this. Under, like, I don't know, did it take 3 minutes? It's just amazing what you can do with Luminar nowadays. It's so good. Done. Do you have any questions? I think I'm going to do another one on portraiture, but that's gonna take a little bit, you know, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth. And yeah, that's been kind of it for this video. Super quick, painless, good. Hey, follow me on Instagram to see this picture better, and Facebook, and you know, like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Let me know what should I do, what should I make a video on next time, and I'll see you. Bye.